Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your international student ID with ISIC full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official ISIC website. Locate the Student ID Verifications section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to verify your ID. You will find a prompt asking for your personal details. Fill in your full name as it appears on your student ID. Enter your date of birth in the specified format. Provide your country of residence. Now, input the unique ID number found on your student ID. Once all details are filled in, review them for accuracy. Click on the Verify button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation that your verification request is in process. Check your email for an update regarding your ID status. In some cases, the verification process may require additional documentation. If requested, follow the instructions to upload any necessary documents. Once your ID is verified, you will receive a notification. You can now access various student discounts and services using your verified ID. Ensure to keep your student ID safe for future use. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the FAQ section on the website. You can also contact ISIC customer support for further assistance. Follow these steps to successfully verify your international student ID with ISIC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.